Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to connect FBS bonus account on MetaTrader 4. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the MetaTrader 4 app, and once you open it you'll be able to see the interface on the screen where you can see settings option at bottom right corner. Just tap over there and now you'll be redirected to the settings option where you can see new account at top on the screen, where you simply need to tap on it, and now you can see two options. So simply tap on second one, which is login to an existing account. Now in here you'll be able to see the search bar where you need to search for FBS. Now you can see the FBS demo at top. So once you tap over there, it will ask you for your login ID and your password. So once you complete your credentials, simply click on sign in, which is at top right corner, and you'll be able to connect FBS bonus account successfully. So basically this is how you can connect FBS bonus account on MetaTrader 4. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.